Let's talk about evolution. Evolution entails the adaptations or changes in a biological population over a long period of time or many generations. It can also be referred to as organic evolution. But why would anyone believe that evolution exists? Look around. There are so many organisms, bacteria, fungi, plants including lower plants like liverworts, and animals ranging from the simplest to the most complex. Despite how many species there are and how different we are, there are some similarities. Mr. Niger D, anyone? Over time, we have also gathered evidence to support evolution. Fossils. Fossils are remains or impressions of remains of organisms preserved within the earth or rocks. The age of these fossils can be estimated using radioisotope dating. By arranging fossils from the oldest to the most recent, we have been able to observe a trend which places simpler organisms before complex ones. For instance, looking at the evolution of man from Australopithecus robustus to Homo sapiens, we can see humans straighten up from Homo habilis to Homo erectus to Homo neanderthalensis before becoming Homo sapiens. When animals are compared, certain anatomical structures seem different but yet are similar enough to create an evolutionary trend. What this means is, when we look at a structure in fish, the simplest vertebrates, and look through vertebrates as they get more complex, from amphibians to reptiles then mammals, we see these structures become more complex. Let's see the heart. It exists as a simple two-chambered organ in fish. Then, it evolves into a three-chambered organ in amphibians. In reptiles, it still has three chambers, but it has an incomplete septum. This septum is complete in mammals and forms four chambers. Despite their differences, all vertebrates have a similar body plan where they have a head and a vertebral column, all pointing to a possible common ancestry. Many animals also have homologous structures or structures that are similar but adapted for different functions. Remember the pentadactyl plan of limbs for humans and most other vertebrates like birds and even lizards. Vestigial structures are parts of organisms that are thought to have no use. An example is the tailbone in humans that is thought to be a remnant of tails seen in other vertebrates. In summary, we have discussed evolution and evidence of evolution. We've seen fossils and anatomical similarities that all point to an evolutionary trend from one common ancestor. We looked at the similar body plans, homologous structures, and vestigial structures. But that's not all. Let's go ahead and learn about other evidence. I'll see you soon.